subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Mi 10, Mi 10 Lite and Mi 10 Pro, the Xiaomi has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in China called Mi 10 Ultra with a unique camera design. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Curve OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and on the top, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Mi 10 Ultra supports a quad camera setup on the rear with LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.85 aperture plus another 48MP periscope lens with 120x ultra zoom support plus 20MP ultra wide angle lens with 128° field of view and a 12MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. The quad rear cameras are capable of recording 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and it also supports OIS for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 20MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery that supports 120W wired and 50W wireless fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid-cooled 2.0 vapor chamber plus 6-stack graphite layer plus graphene that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, infrared port and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.38 by 75.04 by 9.45 mm and it weighs around 221.8 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 5,299 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 5,599 Chinese yuan, and the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant is priced at 5,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 6,999 Chinese yuan. All these 4 smartphone variants will go on sale in the country starting from August 16th in Obsidian Black, Mercury Silver and Transparent Edition. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.